today we're going to learn about branch out. Challenge. Decompose a repeating pattern into functions and for loops. You've learned about basic of coding and you've solved a lot of puzzles with your character. Now that you know about command functions and for loops, you're ready to combine your skills in this challenge. There are 3 stairway puzzles in this world. Each shares the same set of tasks performed. Can you figure out the pattern for the task and write the code? So we will do a function because you could tell it's very long. So we're going to do move forward and now because we have to go toggle the switch, this is also for the staircase because when we go up the staircase it's really long, so I'm going to do a function for it. So when we move up the staircase we have to go 7 times because I counted. Then after this we will toggle the switch. And I also forgot to write toggle. Actually, I remembered to write toggle, but I forgot to write switch. So, I will write toggle switch. After this code, we'll go to another function and call it turn round move forward because this is also for the command, and also we have to also do this because when we're moving it's going to take a very long time. So we would have to turn around, move forward when we're going back down the staircase. And this is obviously the same thing, except we have to turn left 2 times or turn right 2 times to go backwards, then move forward 7 times. After this, we also have to turn right. Now we'll do a 4 in 1, 2, 3. Now we have to do the code, which is going to be move forward, turn left. Oops, I'm mistaken. Because if you turn left, it's going to be blocked and it's going to be doing nothing. So I would have to turn right instead. Now we'll do move forward, toggle switch, and then turn around, move forward. Because if you didn't have turn around, move forward, it's not going to go back and do it. So we will have to run the code, and I put it in fast because this is very slow. Now you're going to go to the second toggle switch, go back, and then go to the third one. And then go back and he's going to be done with the code. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and also leave a like. Bye!